Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show chicken dum biryani. People think that it is very difficult, but it is not at all difficult. One kg basmati rice washed and soaked for 20 minutes. On cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, 4 green cardamom pods. Add 20 minutes soaked rice in hot water. Add 1/4 teaspoon ghee and salt. Add cloves, cinnamon sticks, green cardamom pods. Is it difficult? No. Whenever you boil rice for the biryani, first boil it to roaring boil. What happens with this? The rice grain is cooked well. After that, lower the flame. If you keep roaring it while boiling, the grain will break. Do not cook it more than 80%. See, it is done. Place a strainer. When rice is stuck together, they get spoiled. So I will spread them. I will drain the water and let it be in it so that the water is draining slowly. Two kg chicken with bone, cleaned and washed. 8 medium onion sliced. 4 tablespoon fried onion. 2 tablespoon saffron water. Few mint leaves. 1 cup yogurt. 2 teaspoon coriander powder. 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 teaspoon green chili paste. 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 8 piece green chilies slit, salt to taste. Add chicken piece in a bowl. Add sliced onions, fried onion, saffron water, few mint leaves, 1 cup yogurt, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, green chili paste, ginger paste, garlic paste, green chilies, salt to taste. Now mix everything very well. Now cover it and marinate it for 3 hours. One tablespoon ghee, 1 cup milk, 6 tablespoon saffron water, few mint leaves, 2 tablespoon fried onion, salt to taste, 2 teaspoon rose water, 1 teaspoon keora water. Now the second part of the process is much simpler. Mix everything together with the chicken. For roasting chicken in a pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee. But do not add too much ghee. Biryani is the dish where you should not add too much ghee, because ghee will coat over the rice. As the biryani gets cool, ghee will coat the rice and you will not get the real taste. Add marinated chicken. Now cover it and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes over low flame. No need to add any water. Open the cover. The smell is amazing. Take a big pot and in this add rice at the bottom. The reason I add rice at the bottom is because it gets crispy and it forms a layer at the bottom. Now add chicken pieces. What I am doing is making chicken layer on the top of the rice. Now add all gravy of the chicken. This is the base. Now add rest of the rice on the top of the chicken. Now I will make a liquid spice mix. Add 6 tablespoons saffron water in the same chicken pot. 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons ghee, few mint leaves, 2 tablespoons fried onion, salt 1 teaspoon or as per your taste, handful of coriander leaves. Now mix well. On the top, add liquid spice mix. Add 6 tablespoons saffron water, 2 teaspoons rose water, 1 teaspoon keora water. Now cover the lid and wait for 20 to 25 minutes over low flame. Now biryani is ready for dum. Open the cover. Biryani is ready. Now serve in a dish. See, it is not stick to the bottom. Served with raita. My chicken dum biryani is ready. See how the skin is just coming out of the bone. You can see the rice, it is well cooked. Do try and enjoy it with your family and friends. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon next to it. It will help us to stay connected. Put your valuable comments in my comment box. Your comments always inspire me. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.